Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this sign and little box from Dollar Tree. I started by removing the garland from the sign, heating up the glue, and then scraping it off with a putty knife and sanding down the entire front. I then used Barcelona beige chalk paint by Folkart and painted the entire thing with one coat. I also took this wooden box and painted that with one coat of the Barcelona paint as well. I also had these 2.5-inch letters that I got from Amazon and painted them with the same paint, giving those just one coat, making sure to paint the sides. Next, I take the sign and the little box and give that one thin coat of Ivory chalk paint by Waverly. Once that coat was completely dry, I went around and sanded both the sign and box. I take the little box and hot glue that to the bottom of the sign, which is actually the top of the sign because I wanted to make sure to cover those holes. I then place down the lettering as well as this sunflower that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I spaced them out first and then hot glued each of them down. And once I have those done, I'm gonna add in some floral foam and florals, but a shorter candle will look really cute in there as well. I'd probably stick with an LED candle, but for now I'm just adding in some of this greenery. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.